That's actually one of the most important topics that I can think of because we do so much of it. When you're buying or selling a home, the most important thing you can do is do a plumbing and a sewer inspection, because I've seen so many times where the realtor didn't think it was a big deal just to, take a quick look around the house, no big deal. The customer gets the house and then they find out a month or two after because their sewer keeps stopping up, and we come out, we take a look at it, let's get it unstopped for you. We run our camera through it. And next thing you know, you have cast iron lines that are, extremely old, that they're cracked under their house. They're causing foundation issues. Prime example, Anna McEwen. Her home, they had bought their home, and what happened is they got it. They did not get a sewer inspection done, and we had to replace their entire sewer system a couple of months after moving into their new home.